Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out any update from us. I'm Shruti and today we are going to talk about a topic which you are definitely wondering about. How much does it cost to build an AI application, especially in India? So if you're planning to build an AI application which has AI in it, maybe about the chatbots, about the recommendation system, then watch the video thoroughly because I've covered very important points for all of you, and stick around because I'm going to cover it up within a few minutes. So let's get started. AI applications are special because they are not like the other applications or the regular applications. They are intelligent. Here, these applications can learn from the users, can learn each and everything. They can see and observe the users. They can talk with users like humans, and they can even recognize images or voices. And to do all this happen and to make all this happen, we need extra tools, advanced coding, and skilled developers. And that's exactly why AI applications are a little bit costlier than the normal ones or the regular ones. Now let's see that if you want these kind of AI applications, then how much it is going to cost, how much do you have to invest. So the cost depends upon how simple and advanced your application is. Here's a basic idea. So if you want a basic application with simple application, for example a chat bot to answer the queries of your customers or a straightforward automated tool, then it is going to cost you less, because here these kind of applications use pre-designed AI tools where you don't have to develop a lot, and here development time is very less. So these kind of applications are going to cost you around 5 to 12 lakhs. And then if you want a moderately complex application where you will get a more sophisticated application and features like personalized recommendations or more moderately complex NLP, that is natural language programming, or an application specifically designed for some cases, then it is going to cost you a little bit less. Here we can take example of e-commerce application where you get suggestions of product according to your history. So these kind of applications are going to cost you a little more, around 12 lakhs to 30 lakhs. And finally, if you want an advanced AI application which has a huge scale and cutting edge AI technologies, then it is going to cost you more, because here you are going to get huge and great features like analyzing videos in real time, diagnosing medical issues, or in-depth learning. Then it is going to cost you more, because here these kind of applications need more time, data, and efforts to get ready. So these kinds of applications are going to cost you around 30 lakhs to 1 crore or even more, depending upon the complexity of your application and what you want from your application. So these were the three main categories, but if you seriously want the accurate costing that for according to your requirements and what you want, then you can directly call us. We are going to provide you customized quotation according to your requirements. And now you might be thinking that these numbers are really very huge, but trust me that in our company we are specialized in creating applications that are high in quality plus in a reasonable cost or amount you have to pay. So here, if you seriously want to build a successful AI application or any other normal application too, we are always here to help you out, because in our company we are always there at each and every step, maybe about the concept, about the designing, launch, and even after the launch we are always there to help you out. So if you seriously want it, then our contact number is given in the description box. You can go and call it and you will get each and everything you want. So that's it for today's video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And for further information you can also visit our website, which is also linked in the description. And now if you seriously want to build an app, and if you have any doubt or any topic you would like us to cover next, please comment below. Thank you, and we'll meet in the next video.